Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota on RGC. First, download and install the RGC client from its official website. Once installed, create a new account and log in. You will then find the Dota game room within the client interface. Make sure your Warcraft 3 game is correctly installed and updated to avoid any issues. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, preparing you for countless hours of strategic battles and fun. After setting up, it's time to join a game. Browse the available lobbies and select one with good ping and enough players. Pay attention to the game modes and specific rules listed in the lobby description. Once the game starts, you'll enter the hero picking phase. This is where you choose your hero. Remember to communicate with your teammates to coordinate hero selections, aiming for a balanced and effective team composition for victory. Now, let's dive into core gameplay. Mastering your hero's movement and abilities is fundamental. Focus on last-hitting enemy creeps to earn gold and experience, which are vital for item progression and leveling up. Always maintain strong map awareness, using wards to gain vision and prevent ganks. Your ultimate goal is to work cohesively with your 4 teammates to systematically destroy the enemy's towers and ultimately their ancient. To truly excel, practice a variety of heroes to broaden your strategic understanding. Watching professional Dota matches can also provide invaluable insights into advanced tactics and team rotations. Remember to actively use RGC's built-in chat features for effective team communication, coordinating pushes and defenses. Finally, contribute to a positive gaming environment by reporting any disruptive players. Enjoy your journey into the exciting world of RGC Dota.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.